beautiful people. I hope you all are doing great. So once again, I'm here with new video. So actually, I just today I woke up at 6 a.m. in the morning, and I have just prepared breakfast for me, and now I'm heading for my goat farm. I'll be foraging them in the forest so that they can graze themselves in the jungle, and I'll try to cover most of the activities today, like what I'll be doing up there, and uh, I'll show you everything, every single detail, and yeah.